Still undecided if shingle or metal is best for your project? Let's take a look at the 30-year life cycle cost comparison of metal versus asphalt. When looking at a basic 30-square roof, the initial comparison of shingles to both fasten-through metal roof and standing seam metal roofing would make it appear that shingles is the most affordable. That is until you consider the first 15 years of life of the roof. Chances are good, especially in Florida's harsh weather conditions, that the home with asphalt shingles will need to be replaced at the end of that 15 years. Additionally, there is significant energy savings with a metal roof related to the reflective properties of metal roofing and how our ENERGY STAR paint systems help reflect the heat from the sun. When those factors are considered, a shingle roof instantly becomes the most expensive choice after just 15 years. When we look at these three examples after an additional 15 years, we see that energy savings over time plays a huge role in the overall cost. The fasten-through metal roof is more than paid for after 30 years through energy savings, and the cost of a standing seam metal roof after 30 years is less than the cost of a shingle metal roof. Of course, with the need for a roof replacement over time, the cost of a shingle roof is the most expensive choice after 15 years or 30 years.